Hello my dear grade primary 6 learner, how are you doing? I am Katabala Bernard and I come from SEMAS. SEMAS is a Cipro e-learning management system, and in SEMAS we have very many interesting lessons. This time around we are looking at something that we must do in our community, something that we can't avoid, and that is latrines. So today we are going to look at our lesson number 3, and that is types of latrines. In the types of latrines, my dear learner, we are going to discover the 4 main types of latrines, and then we shall look at the characteristics of at least one type of latrine. Let's begin. Remember, we said that a latrine is a place for proper disposal of fecal matter, or a latrine is a place for urination and defecation. A place where you defecate and urinate and is authenticated by doctors and is allowed in the community is what we call a latrine. Now, my dear learner, what are the importance of having latrines in our community? In our community, at least each and every home must have a latrine. Why should we have latrines? These latrines help to control bad smell. How do they control bad smell? Whenever you dispose of your fecal matter into the bush, it causes a bad smell which can otherwise attract house flies. And these house flies, remember in your primary 4, you learned that they spread very many diarrheal diseases. So, latrines help to control bad smell by absorbing the fecal matter that we drop there and even the urine that we drop there. Number 2, these latrines are very useful because they control the spread of diarrheal diseases. Yes, latrines control the spread of diarrheal diseases. How do they control the spread of diarrheal diseases? Whenever people defecate outside, that fecal matter can be carried away by flowing water into our water sources. And as a result, a lot of bacteria can be multiplied, and when we drink that water, when it's unboiled, we can easily get ill health and we become sick. Therefore, latrines help to prevent that unnecessary disposal of fecal matter. My dear learner, these latrines control vectors in our community. For example, when you dispose of your fecal matter into a latrine, these houseflies are kept away. Reason, they will lack what to feed on, or they will lack points where they can lay their eggs. Because human fecal matter is one of the best conditions